In this video, we will see why people struggle to learn computer. And we will also learn what are the main mindsets which are required for learning PC. So here we are referring to how to use PC or computer. So let's first see why people struggle. And I am here saying the first and the foremost reason which people have experienced is that they tried, but failed. And they find it too complex. Too complex. They find it too complex. So many times people have tried it, but then they have not been successful, or they have tried half-heartedly, and then they find it too complex, and it is a fact that PC has a require vast knowledge. The second reason which I have observed is psychological barrier. Logical barrier. And by this I mean is that some people take pride, they are being old fashioned, and they keep justifying that it is too difficult for me, and therefore they don't progress. Third reason is do not see much utility of learning PC, because their life is going on without the use of PC, and they say that why should we learn? In any case, it is too complex. So they keep justifying. So they are not very clear. Even if they learn, what will they do? And fourth reason is scared that they may spoil PC. Scared that they may spoil PC. And this is very scaring thought, because if, especially if the PC belongs to somebody else, their son or daughter, then they are really scared that if the PC is spoiled, then the work of their son or daughter will be, jeopardized, and therefore they are really scared, and they are afraid that they may get some scolding from their son or daughter. Last but not the least is they did not come across, or did not find a good motivating teacher. A good motivating teacher. So without a good teacher, it is difficult to get started. Most important thing is that you have to get started. If you don't get started, you will not progress. So all these 5 reasons are there, and many times more than one reason is applicable, but one reason or the other is sufficient to stop your progress. Now if you have to learn PC, then you have to have your resolution. The first thing is that I'll now put in your key aspects which you must be ready. Key tips. Learning PC. Learning use of PC. The first thing is identify a purpose. Identify a purpose. So the first thing is identify at least one purpose which you really need and where you very clearly see that you are going to use it and you will take advantage of PC. So first be clear that this is one purpose you desperately want. It could be like email, or it could be like chatting with your friend, or it could be reading newspaper. In the earlier video we have seen that PC is capable of doing so many things. Number 2 is believe you can learn. Believe you can not only learn, you can even master. Learn and master. And I have come across many examples, even people at the age of 80, 85, that they have not only learned how to use PC, but they have even learned how to program PC. So there is no such barrier, and I definitely believe that if you have the right mindset, you will be able to learn. Number 3 is, this is something very important. Keep a target of 2 weeks. Keep a target of 2 weeks. That means in 2 weeks you will be learn. You will be able to learn. So just keep a target. Don't keep like 3 months target or 4 months target. Just keep a target of 2 weeks. And believe me that you will be able to get started and will be able to use one thing within 2 weeks. Then fourth is make investment. Make small investment. Buy a netbook or a notebook if you wish. A netbook will cost you around 10,000 rupees. So if you really want to learn and master the PC, buy your own notebook or netbook. And I believe you might already have an internet connection at your home. But if you don't have internet connection, then internet connection will also be required. And internet connection can be used by everyone in the house. So that is very important. Similarly, even notebook and netbook, if you buy, even other people will be able to use it. But it is good to have your own notebook or netbook. Number 5, and that is very important, is ready to invest, ready to spend. 1 hour every day. 1 hour every day. Continuity is the most important thing. In fact, many times I say PC is a push button technology. That means you need to master what is the right buttons to press to do your work on PC. So it is not that much of learning, but basically knowing what button to press for doing your work. Of course, there is always a logic behind pressing of buttons also, but if you don't want to understand the logic, you can still do your work by pressing the button. Even 3 years old children are able to do what they want to do because they have mastered the sequence in which to press the button. Next, which is very important, is ready to be a student. Ready to be a student. This is very important because when you want to learn something, you have to become a student. Ready to be a student. And I have seen many adults, they are not able to progress because they are not in a position to become student. Psychologically, they are not ready to accept anyone as a teacher. So this is very important, that you have to take teacher as a teacher and you have to become a student. And that means you will have to follow the instruction, right or wrong, what the teacher gives initially, till you have learned something basic. And last but not the least, this is the most important point, you have to find a good motivating teacher. Find a motivating teacher who makes complex things simple, not the other way around. Simple thing complex. There are many teachers who make simple thing complex. And if you are trying to learn from children, that is what will happen. They will make simple thing complex. You have to find a very mature, motivating teacher who will explain in a step-by-step manner and make you feel that even the complex things are simple and you can learn. Because if you find a teacher who is not motivating or who is making things complex and presenting it in that manner, then you will not be able to learn and you will be overwhelmed. You will find things are really too complex and you just can't cope up with it. And in fact, it may demotivate you for a long time. So it is very important that you find a very good, very patient and motivating teacher who is able to explain things in a simple manner, in a step-by-step approach, and it gives you enough time for you to digest the information. So if you have a teacher like this, and if you have changed your mindset to include some of these 6 points which I have mentioned earlier, there is no reason why you cannot get started on computer within 2 weeks. Thank you.